Am I the only one who loses track of time when flowers start popping up? Hello, Albert here. Let's chase the first blooms. Soft sunlight, a crisp breeze, tiny miracles poking through the soil. Crocuses, snowdrops, brave little daffodils, each one a tiny headline saying, "Spring is back." Take a deep breath. Fresh air, subtle scents, colors that nudge your mood upward. Walkways turn into confetti of petals, hedges wake up, even the city looks friendlier. These first blooms don't rush, they remind us to slow down and notice. So next time you see a bud, stop for a second, smile, and let spring do its quiet work. Tells us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe. Albert here. Want better harvests? Plant at the right time. 3 quick windows. Go. Early spring, as soon as soil works. Sow peas, spinach, salad leaves, and broad beans. Pop in onion sets and radishes for fast wins. Cold, tough crops love a cool start. Mid-spring, soil warming? Time for carrots, beetroots, and potatoes. Pot up brassica seedlings, cabbage and kale, then harden them off for a week. Thin so roots can breathe. Late spring, after the last frost, go big. Tomatoes, courgettes, sweet corn, runner beans, and basil. Start peppers and aubergines in pots indoors. Move them out when nights stay warm. Quick tips: check soil temp, water gently, space for airflow, and mulch to lock moisture. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe. Why do some gardens explode with spring color while others look tired? It's all in the bulbs and timing. Stick with me for a quick planting crash course. Right, grab your bulbs. Think daffodils, tulips, crocus. Tip 1. Plant in autumn, when soil is cool but not frozen. Tip 2. Depth matters, generally 3 times the bulb's height. Tip 3. Pointy end up, flat side down, no rocket science. Add a handful of compost or bulb fertilizer for a strong start. Plant in clumps, not single files. Groups make a real impact. Drainage is key. If your soil's heavy, mix in grit or use raised beds. Protect from squirrels and voles with a wire cage or chicken wire. Water in, let winter chill do its thing, then spring pops with color and happy bees. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe.